Is NFC enabled by default in iPhone 11 Pro Max, or do I need to configure it manually?
Hello there. If you've ever wondered whether NFC is enabled by default on your iPhone 11 Pro Max, or if it requires manual configuration, you've come to the right place. We'll be discussing this topic in detail, so let's jump right in.
What is NFC?
NFC, or Near-Field Communication, is a technology that enables devices to exchange data or perform certain functions when they're brought close together. It's used for a variety of purposes, like making contactless payments, transferring photos and videos, or even turning on lights in your home.
Is NFC enabled by default on iPhone 11 Pro Max?
The answer is yes. NFC is enabled by default on your iPhone 11 Pro Max. Apple has designed its devices with user convenience in mind, and enabling NFC by default is a part of that design philosophy. This means you don't have to dig into your phone's settings to turn on NFC when you get a new iPhone 11 Pro Max.
Do I need to do anything to use NFC?
Even though NFC is enabled by default, to use NFC functionalities, such as Apple Pay or NFC tags, you'll have to set those up manually. For example, you'd need to add a credit or debit card to your Apple Wallet if you want to use Apple Pay. When it comes to NFC tags, your iPhone 11 Pro Max will read NFC tags by default when your device is unlocked. Just bring your iPhone near an NFC tag to trigger an action. That's about it. Your iPhone 11 Pro Max has NFC enabled by default, so you don't have to worry about turning it on. However, to use certain NFC functionalities, you'll need to set them up first. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in understanding your iPhone's NFC capabilities. Stay tuned for more.